Hey everyone, this is Justin Kreps from Kreps Service Station, Spring Mills, Pennsylvania. Today we're going over the Bighorn Denali 650HX. The 650HX is the full cab and heat only unit from Bighorn, so let's go ahead and jump into it. It comes with the hard roof, the windshield wiper and washer system. We've got a glass flip out windshield. Heavy duty front bumper. LED headlights, turn signals. We've got the winch on the front, A-arm guards, sway bars, adjustable shocks, very nice off-road tires, and we got the blacked out aluminum rims. Going under the hood, we turn these two knobs. We'll pop this up. And then we've got our radiator cap, overflow. We have our cabin air filter. So even the heat unit has the cabin air filter. And we have our washer fluid. The Workcross 650 Denali HX comes with a very nice side door. We have a foldable mirror. These are lockable doors. When you open it up, on the inside we've got glass windows. This is a roll up, roll down window. Interior grab handle. Got a nice little cubby to store stuff. Going inside the unit, we've got some very nice headrests. This unit is a three-seater, so we do have 3 seat belts. The driver's seat is adjustable, so you can move it forward and back. We've got a very nice center console here with some cup holders, a little area to store stuff. Another cool thing is if you need to get some more room inside the cab, you can actually lift up on the seats, get some access to more cup holders here. We've got a very nice headliner, and we even have a dome light. Continuing on inside, we're going to show you how easy it is to flip this windshield out. So it has one lock right here, so all you got to do is turn that up. Right here, turn that up, and all you do is just push on out. So if I want to bring it back in, I'm just going to grab one of these and just pull it. Bring it back, lock that back in place, lock that back in place, and then we're good to go. So right over here, we've got the passenger cup holder. We have the wifey approved grab handle. Going inside the glove box, we've got some paperwork from Bighorn, and then we also have the owner's manual. We've got the toolkit, the wireless winch remote, and we've got the door keys. We're going to notice right across here, these are our heating vents. So if we have the heat on, we can actually move these wherever we want. And we've got defrost up here, so we can actually turn these off, on, so you can direct the air where you want. We got a little cubby hole right here. Another little cubby hole down here, and there's one over here, so plenty of storage space. We've got some power ports here. So this is your USB, USB-C, and this is the more traditional 12 volt right here. Pop those back in. This is our turf mode switch. So currently the unit is in turf mode, which is basically one-wheel drive. If I hit that switch right there, that locks the rear differential together. So if you take a tight turn into grass, it's going to rip it up. So up here, let's look up here. This is our four-wheel drive switch. So if I activate that switch right there, that activates the four-wheel drive, which now the front wheels are also turning, but they can still turn at different speeds. And then that locks the front differential. So I like to call it like tank mode. You're not going to steer this thing very easily when that front differential is locked. So let's go ahead and unlock everything. So this is our wiper washer system. So if I go ahead and I just push it to the center, you can see the wiper is active. Now I'm going to hold down on the button right now, and you can see the washer is active. And then you just flip it off. And then right here we have our hazard light. Right here is the heat system. So unlike the AC unit, this is just a heat only unit. So we have our off, and then we can have it on for heat, and then our temperature control, and then the fan does have 3 speeds. The transmission has a low, high, neutral, reverse, and a park. we've got our turn signal switch, the brake switch, the wired-in winch switch, we've got the horn. This is an electronic power steering model, and it also has a tilt wheel, so you just pull that back towards you. You can adjust the steering wheel. And then right over here, this is where our lights on and off, and our high and low beam. Driver side cup holder, another vent. And we've got the digital instrument cluster, so we have the tachometer, speedometer, we have our coolant gauge, fuel gauge, hours, miles. We can actually change the EPS to minimum, mid, or maximum. What's really nice with that is if you don't like very much power steering, which there are some of you out there that don't like very much power steering, you could pretty much turn it down. It comes from the factory on the middle section or mid, or if you have a snowplow involved, you can bump that up to max to get a little easier steering effort. This unit has a hydraulically assisted dump bed. And what we mean by hydraulically assisted dump bed, so if I grab the handle right here and I just lift up, there's a cylinder right here that helps you push the load up out of the bed or dump the bed. So while we're here, let's take a look at the engine. So the Bighorn Denali 650HX is powered by the Odes 650V twin. It's matched to the integrated drive system here. So the integrated drive system is your transmission and rear differential all in one. So you would check your fluid for the transmission right here, and then you would check your engine oil right here. And you're going to notice the big difference between this unit and then the 1000. There's no alternator right here. So, because right here you got your alternator, you got your AC unit over here. So on the 650, it's not there because it's just a heat unit. So air filter is in the same spot as the 1000, sitting right here. Behind this cover is the diagnostic connector and the ECU. And then shoot right over there, kind of zoom in a little bit, I'll come over here. And then right here is where we got the fuses and relays. So our fuse box right there. Going to the back, we've got a glass rear window. We've got LED tail lights, turn signals, brake lights, the pickup truck style tailgate. Got the tape measure back here. We've got the tie downs in the bed. The very nice rear bumper. We've got independent rear suspension with the fully adjustable shocks with the piggyback reservoirs and the rear receiver for all your towing needs. The Bighorn Denali 650HX can be purchased from Kreps Service Station in Spring Mills, Pennsylvania. Thank you for watching the video.